This whole box just smells like shit.
Oh god.
You can't make this.
You can't. You just can't make it up. He wasn't even here for the fitting on the air intake.
What was it?
It was destroyed. Matt cut his finger off trying to get help me get it off.
Me and Eric completely factory refurbished the line.
Yeah, exactly, because that's just what we do. I mean, if I asked you if this fitting was ever replaced, you would tell me no. But, you know, I got a brand new fitting on there. Yeah, I don't even know what Matt did with the old fitting. It broke the thing off here because it was right here. Do you have that old fitting or do I?
If I had it, it'd be gone forever, so. I don't have it.
Oh, here it is. So somebody had this clip up inside really bad.
Well, it's fixed now.
Yeah, it is. It's supposed to be getting a heat exchanger, but it's already got aftermarket heat exchangers on each side. They cut giant holes in the bumper. It's got oil coolers. Got a big oil cooler up front. So I guess now all it's getting now is our intake, spark plugs, and ice tank.
Yeah, the T-Monsters are not bad. So,
Yeah, the T-Monsters are the best because they're not carbonated and they don't like make your stomach all bloated.
yeah, it's a nice little breakfast drink.
Yeah, I like Ultra Sunrise. That's like my.
What is that?
It's almost like an orange juice, like, but it's carbonated.
I would probably really like that one.
Yeah,
I've never had it.
It's my favorite. I drink in the morning.
I really want to try the orange creamsicle.
Yeah, the Dreamsicle Reserve. Yeah, orange Dreamsicle. It's the one I sent in the group message. Orange Dreamsicle Reserve. I still do the Ultra Sunrise in the morning. It's good.
You didn't get to try the orange dreamsicle yet, did you?
Nah, you?
No. I don't know where you can even get it.
Wow, I probably got them or something. Usually when they post them on like Instagram or like Facebook like that, you can easily get them. Not like anything else.
Ooh. I found them. 24 pack.
Yeah, see if they have them on there, they got them at Wawa.
What are the reserve ones? What's the difference between those?
I forget. It's some stupid bullshit. But the Pineapple Reserve is way better than the Ultra Gold. And
Are they carbonated?
yeah.
Okay.
We have a Reserve Watermelon in there.
I haven't tried that yet.
It's alright. The Reserve Pineapple is really good. Way better than the Ultra Gold, which is like another pineapple flavor. But yeah, the Dreamsicle's probably really good.
Should I order it?
What?
The orange dreamsicle.
I mean, I don't care.
I don't know if I should go try it first, to go like get one from Wawa, or if I should just order the 24 pack.
Get it on lunch break today.
What else is this thing getting there? With just like plugs and... I know this one's getting like a really simple build.
Just plugs, cold air intake, and our ice tank.
Gotcha.
It's supposed to be getting a heat exchanger, but it's not now. This already has aftermarket heat exchangers, obviously, in the bumper.
Yeah.
And it's got an oil cooler in the way where the other one goes. So we're just gonna keep this set up here, and then we'll add our ice tank.
What intake is that?
AFE.
Oh God, that's awful. What
Yeah.
the f?
Same thing I was mentioning
smell
yesterday
is
about the
awful.
Rotofab. It's just plastic.
Jesus.
That's what I was trying to...
I didn't think it was gonna be that strong. This whole box just smells like shit.
Oh, Lester.
Lester, the molester.
Yeah, every person that's ever been named Lester has probably heard that at some point in their life.
No doubt.
I assume the intake was customer provided?
No.
No? Why are we doing so many different intakes?
Depends on the power level. This is just a stock car.
Oh,
He just wants cold air intake. All right, this is a 2015 Z06. We did not baseline it. I don't know why. We didn't really do much to it though. We did a AFE cold air intake, our heat exchanger, and our ice tank. And we changed the plugs. We're gonna make a pull and then I'll flash it and then we'll go from there. Got no wideband. Okay, let's try this again. Lean without the tune. I was just trying to get somewhat of a bass line, but I guess I can't. Let's see if this is any better. I just flashed my bass file in it, so. 563, 634. This guy road races this thing a lot because he's got like a roll bar and shit in it, and it's got like a little like lap thing over here, and he's got some stickers up here, and I believe it's a Z07 car, and he's got steel rotors on it. .571, 630 there. .579, 615. Dropping torque because it's hot. Not hot, but hotter than it was before. Probably make this pull and then let it cool down. Alright, I'm gonna let this thing cool. I'll be back. Alright, cold pull, and then this thing's done. AIT2s are about 50 degrees cooler now that I let it cool down. .606. 633 torque. I'll do one more. .603, 644. Just gonna do some trans pulls now. I'll do a 3, 4, 5. Thing's good. On to the next.
What did it get the last time it was here?
I don't remember.
God, the heat feels nice though.
Maybe it can. God, he does feel nice.
Yeah, the throttle body spacers.
Oh, I didn't put that on there. No, I took that right off. Let's see what's in the trunk. I think I did this, maybe not. I don't know. Shoo! The Gatorades, dude.
Got some orange Gatorades.
That's money.
It's a
oh my god, and then my free. Give me a
Fritos? Oh,
yeah, dude.
Twists. The ruffles too.
Before Garrett eats all them, I'm getting back.
This will be gone by this time next week.
Yeah, I know. Nothing at the bottom. Put the good shit at the bottom.
I guess this for
nice.
torque.
Little milk bone.
I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, for torquey.
Everyone here has dogs except me, so 5% off.
Gravy coated. Shoo! This is gonna get my stomach going right.
We get some of those in the fridge right now.
Yeah, we do. Let's just the whole
Definitely.
thing. 12 lemon limes.
Load that fridge up.
Fruit punch for Eric. All right. Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Always appreciated.
Let's add these gravy ones here for Torque. Torque.
Here, buddy.
Gonna be a gift. Okay.
Oh, you got a koozie and a pen. And a sticker.
This is a White Claw koozie?
That's kind of what it looks like.
Wow.
You don't drink White Claws? It's definitely for a White Claw. Really good. Use it for like a small Red Bull can.
3 bolts. Kind of need 6 of those.
Out of curiosity, what's the stall in the torque converter? Does it say on there?
I imagine it would. Sure doesn't.
Sick.
Let's see what she looks like. Oh, that's a nice butt plug right there. I don't understand why they only gave me 3 bolts.
Well, there's definitely 6.
Another one in here maybe? Hiding?
So you built this car last time it was here?
I believe so. It's not, I mean, I think it's just bolt-ons.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I can't remember. I guess it's got a cam in it. I don't even remember what it sounds like.
Sounds like it's got a cam in it.
I assume it has a cam in it because I don't think we'd be doing a converter.
Is this Corsa exhaust on it?
AWE.
There it goes.
I need to weld in a rear. He wants me to weld in a wideband bung, which
Okay.
generally we use. Like if it's American racing exhaust, the rear 2 bungs are way back here, so that's what we use.
Gotcha.
But whatever, this is probably. Well, I know it's Cook, so yeah, it's just Cooks with these extension pipes. Yeah, I definitely did this car. That's the way I weld these. The O2 rear 2s are a little too close to the collector. Wideband should be like 24 inches or so away from the collector, so I'm gonna put it right up here. We got plenty of room between the drive shaft. Pop that thing up in there like so. Get your groove on. Yeah. Kyle, come here right here.
What's up?
Grab that exhaust.
Cook's Jones.
You're gonna want to put that camera down.
Watch the camera.
Back her up. Watch the camera. It would have fell in there. Oh my god, look at that, dude. That is money. I love working on cars sometimes.
Thanks.
Tap her right in there. Sticks up kind of high. I wonder if we should test fit this before I send it.
Probably.
Enough. Alright. It's not going too terrible. Out of my way, can I reach this? Oh yeah.
Just about out of there?
This ain't bad at all. Yep, sure is. What? There he is. Didn't he make the 3 o'clock? God damn it. I hate when bolts, you know, it's too tight to pull out my finger. It's too loose to use a ratchet knife. Come on. Break. Ah! Frick. They really jumped out of there.
Got your new torque converter thrown on? Nice.
Yeah, she in there.
Is there still nothing indicated what like stall it is?
It said 3x8 on the front of it, so I don't know if that means 3800. I don't know, dude. We don't ever put torque converters in 6. Like I said, I did one, and it wasn't even for one of our cars. It was... Come on, pedal.
Got it up in there. Ooh, smacked my head on something.
There she is. There she is. Love it when a f***ing plan comes together. Time for lunch. Where's my pizza?
Need another one?
I will in a second. Oh, dude, god damn it! I love working on cars sometimes. Next time I do one of these, remind me just to take the header out of my way.
Okay.
By the time I do it, my life will be so much easier. Ow! I'm getting irritated.
Alright.